Back on this unit, we got our favorite LED P-Tech. Put some LED low beams in. We've got to do our fluid, our rear deck fluid, as some people call it. Got the diff cover put in place, gasket, a little bit of RTV, all good to go right there. We're gonna bleed the brakes in the back.
I don't think I recorded pretty much any of it, but we did do some
We're back here now.
high performance painting.
Painting.
Oh yeah.
So headlights, of course, up here. Make sure nothing jumps out at us right here. These aren't super hard to get to, but it is always fun remembering which holes you use to get into adjust and which holes you use to get into take the headlights out. I think somewhere there's pictures of us pointing, and I think if you take this guy out and this guy out, I think that'll come out.
Probably.
So there's this guy and this guy, and then I think this hole and this hole adjust side to side and up and down, but I don't quite recall. We got some tires on the way. We got some new mirrors on the way. That one's falling apart. This one's cracked and busted. And what else do we got coming? We got a new serpentine belt. This one's not super bad, but it's old. We're gonna get a new battery for it, just for this. This is a spare battery. Yeah, I think that's what we got right now. So we'll jump into bleeding the brakes. We were pretty quick with swapping those wheel cylinders, so we shouldn't have lost a ton. Nope, it's pretty good. We'll probably try to squish out some of this old and put in some new, and we'll go from there. A clean shop is a healthy shop, right? Oh! So, headlights have been installed. Don't need to show you that. That guy, what's the head of those? 5?
Yes, 5 millimeters.
So a 5 mil, we'll take that guy out, extricate, replace, put it back in. Make sure you did the right thing. Get a big jug of brake fluid. She's a little dark, but we'll run it. Make sure you're ready. You don't want to run that dry, because bad things happen.
Did you check on the air filter?
Yep, but right now we're talking about brakes.
Oh, you might as well just go through everything while you're doing it.
We already checked it. Okay. We like to bleed brakes. When the going gets tough, the $20 Amazon vacuum guy will get there.
Did you buy that at Harbor Freight?
Harbor Freight, whatever I was trying to say. But where did the peanut box go? Oh, right there. So you want to have a nice container, preferably clean. Yep, make it loud. We got Picasso over here painting, so to turn the fan on, we got more fluid in case we need it. So a nice clean, clean tube, clean container, so you can check for bubbles coming through. We'll come right back. Brakes appear to be bled. Master cylinder is topped off. Now we have the squire adjusting. You're welcome. Adjusting our, oh, he's got the right tool. I always use just a flat screwdriver, but that's way nicer. So we're adjusting the rear brakes. You want it so the shoes just start to drag. Ooh, that feels good.
All right.
Just start to drag a little bit.
Can I have one of the rubber things?
Pardon me?
The
plugs. So are those sitting
I put them. I think I put them on the filing cabinet or up on corner or something.
Filing. Ooh. Look at that guy. So you couldn't tell that these not rotors, that these drums had the knockout plugs because they were a little bit crusty, but we found them. So they're professionally installed. Anytime you're messing with new parts, always take the time to go through and bleed. Always take the time to go through and check for leaks. Do a couple of, short drives. You got any good parking lots or field roads nearby? We have that luxury of just driving off-road to make sure everything does what it should do. The brake lines on this look really nice. Virtually a rust-free vehicle. You don't have the rusty, crusty lines.
There's one hole in the body on the inner fender.
Where the body plug.
Where our body plug is.
Yep. Don't tell the people.
I should say rear quarter actually.
So these have non-coated brake lines. I know 2000 on up. They have kind of a. Oh no, they don't. What year do they have the black coating?
Oh, didn't they start in like the 06, 07 or that generation? Yeah,
because you're 05. All the brakes are shot on that. So these have kind of a oh, maybe just a tiny bit on that. These have kind of a spring cover on the back, which is supposed to help with corrosion, rock chips, whatever. But it's nice when you've got something, the next couple gens up, they're all black coated, rubber coated or something coated, and we've never had to replace one of those unless it got hit by something. So, okay, we have new tires coming. We're gonna go find a set of wheels before it gets too dark out here.
It won't get dark.
No, not dark yet. Find a different set of wheels and then get those ready. We got mirrors coming, like I said before. I don't know if we mentioned it. We splurged. Brand new windshield wipers. Help me understand.
Broke the bank. We're gonna have to sell the shop.
We're gonna have to sell the shop. And probably the most important thing is we have a couple of new stickers to put on the back. We got our Lake Superior sticker that's suffered a little bit of a wrath. Our vintage rat rod, which is doing okay. Our zombie family, which we'll leave for fun. But we've got a couple other stickers we'll put on. Last thing I wanted to check is when was this thing built? So this was built in 2 of 99. So this is actually an early 99. Well, I don't know. Because 99 would have started being made in probably 10 of 98. So maybe it is a later 99. Always curious about things like
made in Wisconsin?
Yep, this is a Wisconsin one. I know our 02 had a couple different plants. There was a Mexico plant. There was a, I don't even know where else it was. Texas?
The 10 is built in Texas.
Okay. Our 2010 Burb, we have a thing for Suburbans. Our 2010 is Texas built. Look at that. Look at that paint. Look at that. Okay, so we keep picking away, and we'll be on the road in no time. Not sure what's happening. So the wheels on here now are a set of 17s off of a 07 to 13 or whatever they are. And the wheels we're going to use are 2000 to 2006 Suburban. And these are 16s. Stock ones on here are 16s. But these are a little bit bigger on the inside than the stock, what do they call them, blade wheels that came on these. So these 16s will only fit these, and these 16s, get some noise, will fit our other couple that are on the road. So we got an 02 that's on the road, we got an 01 that's still on the road. So I guess it makes sense to put tires on a set of wheels that'll fit a little of everything. The reason I know they don't fit because I tried it before when I had a flat tire on this guy, and we tried putting one of the old, those blade wheels, blade 16s, if I can roll this with one hand, on that Suburban. We have a 95 Silverado, old rusty greenie, which we haven't introduced much to the channel, but I'll just...
That's most of the high performance work that was done on that is pre-channel.
It's all pre-channel, that mighty 4.3.
You know, there's some exhaust work.
Yeah, we did some professional exhaust work on that. So these will fit, or I should say the old blade wheels will fit on the rear, but they won't fit on the front. Brake rotors on these, I think, are at least an inch bigger. And then you get 07 on up, Silverado, Suburban, half-ton, whatever, and the brake rotors are bigger again. Hence the 17s that are on that guy right there. So, I think this is a good decision. These tires are 11. Just have your essentials, right? Shovel, chain, tie down, tow rope, a little of everything. So those 17s, I'd be happy to run just black steel wheels. They've been painted, but 2 of them are bent good enough to make the car shake. So we won't use those. Going up, down. So these are, like I said, from 2011.
Yeah.
So they're pretty old.
They're 2711 is the date code.
So 27th week of 2011. And we're going to find a way to get creative. Let me shut this to keep our state birds out of the shop for now.
The state bird?
State bird. The skeeters. So we are going to kind of go through and do a little touch up on these guys. You can see where salt gets around that edge, takes off the clear and starts chewing into there. This one still needs the core taken out.
Yep.
We are going to maybe polish the polished parts a little bit better and then repaint where just that dull gray paint was before. So we'll see what we come up with. Trying to figure out a good color. We got we have a
hot pink.
We have a pewter silverish Suburban. So we figure hot pink rims, just like Mom would like, right? Mom would love.
We just won't tell her we're gonna paint the wheels.
So if we had the 2 daughters in the family vote, they would probably want a fancy paint. I don't know, if nothing else, just retouch them with some kind of a gray where it's not polished would make it look sharp too. So that's where we're at right now. Like I said, we got our Amazon special brake shoes in. Everything else done for now. Bled the brakes. Can't say that at all, can I? Feels good. Pedal feels good. Sorry. And when the mirrors come and the tires come, we will put those in. Called the insurance company, which they like us because we give them a lot of money, because we have I think 11 vehicles insured. Only 6 or 7 of them are driving, no more than that. 8 we keep driving. The rest we have storage just in case. Our next step is some of our other vehicles that are worth a little bit of money is to get collector insurance and stuff like that in place. I have comp, so if a tree falls on it in the backyard, but we gotta get a couple of our nicer vehicles under cover. Like this 99 Suburban, we paid, I don't know, $5,500 for about 8 years ago. And you look at what the values are and you go, oh, we got some, we look at what the values are and you go, oh, those are starting to get up there a little bit. Collectible and whatnot. Like I said, this is pretty low miles and 99% rust free. Even though it's from Minnesota, it can be done. The person who had it before us didn't hardly drive it in the winter, and then didn't hardly drive it at all. So, and that's where we're at right now. So, while we got tires on the way, we took a set of wheels and tires, cleaned them, buffed them. All the beads will leak if you don't get the rusty, crusty aluminum oxide, whatever, off. So, right now, we're having an ongoing debate over how cool black with the center cap.
No.
No, no, no. But the nice thing about junk wheels is you could paint them. You don't like them, you can paint them again. Don't like them, you can paint them again. We don't have any kind of sandblaster stuff here to do a super duper job. Sandblast would take the grime off the inside of the wheels pretty good. It would. But this might look cool. But we got a hard sell going on over here. So tomorrow, insurance will be on tomorrow. We will go ahead and put another set of wheels and tires on here that are decent. Like I said, those black steel ones. Hey, those are steel rims that were painted black. Aluminum rims painted black. A theme here. So we'll put those on so we can get her back on the road and see how it runs and drives. And we're going to decide some important things here. We have some Mortski stickers, and then we got some of our own we got to put on there. We have, for just the fanciest vehicles, we have the sparkle stickers. So we're going to throw Mortski on here. Maybe we'll throw some Drain Plug Garage, maybe some Peyton Speed Shop, some local great channels. We got to represent here too. We got a little rat route action there. Good publication. And yeah, so with that being said, we worked pretty hard the last week or so getting this guy ready. And it's July 2nd. Someone's birthday is coming up tomorrow. And maybe a set of 26s. We get that dub emblem, and then we'll pry the LT off, put the dub right there, right? Is that what the kids do, or used to do? We won't be doing that, but. Okay, wrapping it up for today. It's getting late. Oh, it is getting late. Is it really that time?
Yes.
Oh.
It's 9:57.
It's almost 10. And for Grandpa, we got the military time. 21:56. So this might be a good place to call her a night. With that being said, never forget, Minnesota is rust. Look at this guy.